my MDTD family, welcome back to another vlog. Trust that everybody is doing good. I'm on the beautiful island of Bonaire. All right, very hot, very dry, so we're gonna see what the island has to offer. And again, you can see it through the lens of my camera. I'm gonna probably do the beach, do a little bit of sightseeing, and just to soak in the culture. All right, so just stay tuned. So guys, before we get into the video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please do me a favor, all right? Please hit the subscribe button, like and share it with your friends and your family, and remember to watch the video to the very end. All right, this is how we're going to enjoy it together. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video.
You can see we don't have traffic lights, no stop lights on the island, but we have only 5 roundabouts on the whole island. And at this roundabout you can see our national flag, yellow, white, blue, a compass, and a over here, and a red 6-point star. Island, yes. Yes, the yellow part is for the sun and the flowers that we have. The white, the peace that we have on the island. The blue is for the ocean. The compass is because we have a lot of fishermen on the island. When they go fishing, they use a compass to find their direction. And the 6 point of the red star are the 6 oldest villator is for the blood during the slavery time.
Okay.
Yes.
So 23,000 people. 25,000. So everybody knows everybody.
Yes. Here at our left hand side, this building, a little bit white, pink, gray, blue. This is our Flamingo International Airport with no flamingo, only human being. It is a small airport, but it is an international airport. A lot of people think Bonaire means good air, because if you translate Bon, it will be good. Yeah. But Bonaire means lowland, because Bonaire is very flat. And because Bonaire is very flat, when we are driving around, you can spot your cruise ship in the harbor from different part of the island. From here, you can see at your right hand side a little island. That little island is Klein Bonaire. Klein means little, then Little Bonaire. There are no facilities, no shade, but you can always take a water taxi to enjoy your day at the no-name beach that we have there at Klein Bonaire. It is a nice place to snorkel, dive, swim, or just chilling at Klein Bonaire. Half,
You have salt and mineral on that.
half, yes sir, half a one day they let it dry with the sun. They will start harvesting the salt, because when they drain it and it is dry, the thickness of the salt will be 8 or 10 centimeters. Then they use those caterpillars, bulldozer, to scrap it. Yes, no, to scrap it. And after that, they will put the big salt rocks in the green crusher.
And it's
You can see over there, to grind it to make from big salt rocks little salt crystals. What they do with this salt, they export this salt.
So as our guide was explaining, if you look over there, that's where you see the salt. the salt factory. That's what they harvest from the sea. It's all natural sea salt. Just take a look at that. Hope you can see it. And then from that harvesting section, you see the conveyor belt that takes it to the ship in the sea. Yes, that's one of the things that on the island of Bonaire. Very small population here. You get crystal, babes? Wow. The crystal. Look at this, guys. Salt crystal. Wow. I've never seen anything like this. Never seen anything like this. Can you imagine? Yeah. All natural.
So what was this?
Huts. Slave huts.
Huts.
Oh my god.
So the slaves live in this.
In one, they just used to stay during the week. In one of these slave huts used to stay 2 or 3 slaves that was working in the salt.
Nobody his size.
They used to stay here during the week because Saturday early in the morning they needed to walk 50 kilometers to the north side to visit family, and Monday early in the morning they needed to walk back to
50 kilometers to come back.
again to work. And
So they stand up in a mess?
Is
those
the water here for them?
water,
Yeah.
yeah, they use.
Look at this, guys. A slave hut.
Somebody your size must be in some.
Can you imagine?
Well, somebody your size would live in this.
Huh? That little opening that you see there, that's the window. Yeah. Unbelievable. And there are a number of huts around for them to work in the factory. Yikes.
They just needed to come here to the storage, collect what they need, and bring it to the obelisk. And this group of slave huts is what we call the red slave huts. But those are not red painted, those are yellow painted. It's just to
The red
indicate
house.
you because it is in the, yes.
Same like the other one.
Same. Got them? Bonaire is 111 square miles. In length it is 25 miles. In wide somewhere it is 7, somewhere it is 3.
Williams what? Storing. Okay.
Storen. Willem Storen.
Here we have the flamingos natural habitat. All right, good.
Already eating.
He's on his lunch break.
Ah, he's taking a break. He's having a sandwich. So guys, like I've mentioned before, is that we're gonna stop at the beach. So I'm here at the Sorbonne beach. So we're just gonna check and see what it is like. Because in Curacao the beach was quite sandy, sorry, rocky. So we want to make sure that this one is a better beach. So it's as you can see, this
Watch out for people, Lincoln. I'm gonna see if there's toys right here I can buy.
just checking out the beach to make sure it's worth our time. For me in the Caribbean, I like beaches that are quite nice. So if it's not nice, I ain't going in there. Huh? It's a bit.
You wanna go? I don't wanna go.
Oh no. Ain't my thing, sorry. I don't like the beach, as you can see. There is water, but nah, ain't my thing. Guys, if you're from the Caribbean, you know what I'm talking about. You know, but I'm not knocking anybody's beach, but this one is just not my thing for today, sorry. Maybe there are other beaches around that are nicer, but no. Just touring the streets of Bonaire.
Because this gentleman over here was gonna sit in the front seat, right? So I could fit two.
Morning. Welcome to Bonaire. How do you do?
I'm doing good, how are you?
Good. Thank you so much. Excellent, of course.
Warm though,
Yeah.
eh?
So, looking for something? I have a tour.
No, we're just walking around to see the how the city looks.
The city looks. Okay,
That's
it's a
right.
small city. I have. How many people do you have?
It's 6, but we're just coming from the south. Yeah, we're just coming
Oh,
from
you
the
come
south.
from the south part.
Yeah, so we saw the salt and
You see all this, the salt flats,
bit of
salt
the
mountains,
flamingo,
flamingos,
the donkey.
Perfect. 5 minutes. Okay.
All right, thank you so
Enjoy your
much.
day.
Thank you.
Yeah? Hi guys.
It's actually got 2 golf carts.
So just like in Curacao, Bonaire is quite colorful as well. And also hot.
Close to each other, that you have to talk for those little close spaces.
Yeah, there's nothing much to see, eh? Yeah. So guys, we did a tour. We did a tour of the island, and unfortunately there's not much to see in Bonaire. It's a small island. Tourism is their main source of income, as well as the salt industry. Got a little bit of history from our tour guide, but there's not much to see.
And I mean, it has made a world of difference.
Over here is a little park.
Okay, that's the part to the side.
Yeah, I guess this is where you can get your food. They have a jerk stand. Huh? Oh, okay. This is what, chicken?
Smells good, huh?
Oh, it's chicken. Indonesian food. Yeah.
Why would I buy this? I don't want to buy this. It's so sad.
Oh no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Reminder.
Exactly. Not a good reminder.
I want to ring that bell.
So they're selling the slave. So they're selling the slave houses there.
Yeah. Where?
Right there. These are snow cones, huh?
Snow cone, yeah.
Yeah. Green apple. Are these liquor or just syrup?
No, just syrup.
Okay.
It's set. And with that cup, you also get $4 refills. Yeah. Awesome, thank you. Thank you.
So they have even the pina colada. Yeah.
Over there.
The snow cone pina colada.
Tonight I'm going to take a
Yeah.
There you go. That's the Caribbean fire. Tomato, garlic with habanero.
Bonaire jerk dry rub.
These
Bonaire
two
sea
are
salt.
these are the spicy ones, the jerk and the pica, jerk and the pica pica,
Okay.
chimichurri and cowboy and medium, and these are all light ones. Caribbean citrus, island spice, smoky sweet, and roasted garlic.
Mm-hmm.
My husband and I make everything here on the oven. Here's a trash whenever you're ready.
I'll be around 3:30. I'll let you know how we're going to do this. Okay. I like it.
You want to try the spicy one?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
You want some rolls, no?
Yeah.
So this is just a little shopping district, as you can see down there, where the tourists shop. How are you?
I'm good, but I'm closing up.
You're closing up.
Yes, I'm all sold out.
Okay.
I think if you want to do a tour, maybe they have
I have
something
already
left.
done one on the South Shore.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
The ship is leaving early, so
That's
it's only
right.
south today.
Only so. What about the north?
The north, the north goes normally combined with the south, so it's a full island tour.
But there's not much to see on the north, right?
Of course there is, but south is just more
Touristic.
touristic, yes.
Okay. I see.
So yes.
So what's the national dish in
Oh, for
Bonaire?
sure, goat soup.
Goat
Goat stew or iguana soup.
Okay.
Yes.
I heard the story about the iguana, the men drinking the iguana soup here.
Oh yeah, the blood, everything.
Yeah, so it's
I've
like
heard it
it's
all.
like a Viagra.
Yes. They eat the eggs too.
Oh yes.
It's actually pretty nice. Yes, it's something you should definitely try. Maybe if you want to try it, maybe at Caro's they have some. The
Iguana
restaurant
soup.
on the pier.
I don't think I'm that adventurous as yet.
No,
I'll take my time.
Shame. You should try it.
But the
definitely.
goat stew, it's you just cook it like a stew. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And cook it long enough because otherwise it's gonna taste
Well,
like
in
goat.
Jamaica we have the curry goat, so
Oh yeah,
I
that's
kind
the
of
same. Yeah, it's
understand.
a little bit more the same.
Okay.
We just don't use curry.
Oh, you don't use curry on the island?
Well, we do use curry on the island, but not for the goats.
Oh, for the goat stew. Okay, I see.
I like curry goat, by the way.
Yes,
I like Jamaican kitchen. So you're from Jamaica
I'm born and bred in Jamaica.
and now living in the States?
No, I'm living in.
Oh,
Yes,
cold.
it is. It is.
Don't you ever miss Jamaica?
I do.
I can understand that.
Yeah.
But Montreal is a little bit safer, I think.
I don't know. You know, it all depends. It all
Okay.
depends what you're looking for. Jamaica is, you know, what they project on TV is not the reality
No,
of
of course,
the island.
yeah.
Of course, you know, you can walk around in Jamaica, walk around safe,
And,
you know, but you know, sometimes you look on the news media, it tells you something otherwise.
yeah, but there's a very big population as well, so of
That's
course
right.
more happening.
Of course, of
We
course.
only have 25,000 people, so it's
Yes.
not strange that we don't have a lot of things going on here.
That's right, that's right.
Right?
Yes.
Well,
Oh.
I'm gonna clean everything up here and I'm gonna go home.
Oh, it's nice chatting with you, all right?
Absolutely. Have
All
a
right.
wonderful day,
You
sir.
take care.
There's a cooler.
Yes, man. Yes. You can find a few souvenirs as well. That's a woman's store, right?
Yes, a woman.
Okay. I see. So here we have another gift shop. So you want to take back something for the family, of course you can just shop here. These are bookmarkers.
We can get it back on the bus.
It's a view of beauty of Bonaire. Beautiful colors of the houses and buildings in Bonaire. Yeah, we're moving now. You can see over there in the far end the beautiful row houses. You can see the airport tower, the control tower.